What is up, everybody? I got some new clothes, I got some new accessories that can only mean one thing. That's right, your boy went to Korea, and now I'm back, and thanks to the magic of scheduling and time management, y'all didn't miss a video. But I did happen to film a little bit over there to check out what the hobbying scene is like on the other side of the world. So let's kick it over to Vlog Toast and see what's cracking. What is up, everybody? I am here in Korea taking a vacation, but I still found a little bit of time to hobby, so I'm in Hongdae right now, outside of what is hopefully one of Korea's hobby meccas. Now, for those who don't know, James Workshop doesn't localize their products in Korea, not because they dislike the nation, I presume. It's just because of a perceived lack of market interest, which is probably something I agree with. Anyway, we're gonna go check out this hobby shop. Hopefully they'll have something cool to find, some neat models that are maybe only available here. Because, you know, what else am I gonna do if not look for something unique and memorable for my time? Or at least some pretty sweet greeblies. So, yeah, let's take a look. 안녕하세요. 저 여기 혹시 촬영해도 돼요?
네네. 저희만 좀 안 나오고.
네네네네.
100분 정도 찍은 거 있었습니다.
네, 감사합니다. Alright, so back to present day for the moment while I narrate over this, because I didn't want to be that weird guy who was just talking in the middle of a hobby store to himself. So, Korea is a treasure trove for hobbying, as it turns out, but not the kind that I'm used to. This store was absolutely massive. It had boats, it had planes, it had cars, it had tanks. You want Gunpla? It's got plenty of that too. A lot of stuff imported from Japan, which makes sense given the proximity of the country, and also just the massive hobby industry over there. There were some more esoteric things as well. Anime girl pinups, they got that too. Super cool dioramas, plenty of display models. This place was truly a hobbyist dream. They even had some weird stuff like, I don't know, a ramen vending machine? You can get it there. But I wasn't looking for Japanese model kits. I've done Gunpla before. I've, built some, Tamiya tanks and things like that in the past. I was looking for that real, you can only find it in Korea kind of stuff. And there was a domestic brand of Korean produced products known as Academy. They had a lot of really interesting kits there, a lot of tanks, a lot of military vehicles, a couple of ships, things of that nature, and one very unique kit that I will share a little bit later. But overall, this store was so cool. I spent hours and hours just browsing the different shelves, looking at all of the awesome dioramas and displays that they had. A lot of the shelf space above the kits was dedicated to displays, which I hadn't really seen before. And something of note, to me at least, not a single war game in sight. This was entirely scale modeling focused. No Games Workshop, of course, as I mentioned a little bit earlier, but nothing else in its place either. It seems that tabletop wargaming, at least in this hobby store, wasn't really a presence, and I think that is perhaps indicative of that portion of the hobby in Korea as a whole. I don't think it's really caught on over in that part of the world yet, which is all fine and good because I still found some pretty sick stuff. Yeah, what is up, guys? We have a successful hobby trip here. Got a really fun kit that I will reveal at the end of this episode. That is definitely something that you can only find in Korea. I took a stop at a random park you can kind of find all over Seoul these days. Quite nearby. But yeah, these past 2 weeks, it's been really a nice vacation. A little bit of a duck blur.
Boom beer, baby!
You know, airplanes, motorcycles, lasers, things of that nature. But happy to get back into it, happy to do some more hobbying. And if you guys want to see more kind of like vlog like videos like this, let me know, because this is my first time kind of trying something like this and I don't really know what I'm doing. Pretty sure I just walked by Sungyun from Kara filming something and they ran up to me and told me I couldn't take pictures, so that's unfortunate, but you know, it's life too. So yeah, this is me in Korea. If I do other vlogs, they're probably not going to be as in exotic locales as this, but you know, who knows? Never say never. And I'll see you guys next time. And as promised, we are back again in the present day for me to show off my haul. The first one I got is a pretty standard kit. It is a British Challenger tank, again by Academy Hobbies, which was a Korean produced brand, along with the Zoids model kits, which I discussed in a much earlier video about one of my kit bashing projects and eventually used on my Archmagos. Man, it's been a while. But I'm hoping I can find some good greeblies off that. This is primarily just going to be used for conversion work, sprucing up terrain pieces, things of that nature. But the other kit, and this one is the one that I'm really excited about and I think is really special. This is a kit that you can truly only find in Korea, and it is the most indicative thing of the Korean model hobby scene that I think I could find. This right here, if you can see it, is a model, a scale model set of an Academy model hobby store. It's again a scale model of a hobby store, which I think is just the coolest thing. It's at 1/24th scale, which is I think typical for like automotives, like if you're into building cars and things like that. I think that's a normal scale for that. But I think it's just so cool that Academy Models makes a kit that is literally their own store from 1970. I think that's so awesome. And it's a cool, super cool kit that has like inserts, and you can perhaps see the light is kind of reflecting off of it in a bad way. The shelves are fully stocked with all sorts of different plastic kits and model kits and things of that nature. So I'm really excited to build this, and I actually have a really fun idea, which I hope to show off in a future video, where we can turn this kit into perhaps a little bit more interesting of a display piece than simply building it out of the box. But that is to come. First, I gotta build the thing and see what's inside of it, but super pumped. I was looking for something that I could only find while I was over there, and I think I absolutely succeeded in this mission, because where else are you gonna find a model kit of a Korean hobby shop? It blows my mind that this exists, and I'm so happy that it does. But that is all for the vlog today, my friends. If you enjoyed this, I don't know, kind of a different format where I'm out and about in the world, let me know. This is kind of a new thing I'm trying, and you know, they're probably not going to be all as exotic as this one. But if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. It always helps out the channel. And you know, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss this Korean hobby project that I got cooking on up here, and definitely want to make at least 1 or 2 videos based off of that. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. And as always, see you guys next time. Peace.